Valkyrie is a 250-pound combat robot for the TV show BattleBots on Discovery and Science Channel. We're a stealth jet-inspired body and an undercutter blade. Blade spins at 250 miles an hour, and the blade itself weighs about 65 pounds. We have a very tricky aesthetic, so one of the first things that Markforged helped us do was quickly prototype out of printed materials the structure and frame rails to get the armor looking exactly how we wanted. Our team is comprised of 5 hardware engineers, all based in the Boston area. We are all younger engineers, and so we really find that iterative design has driven Valkyrie to the success we've seen so far. Figuring out how a design will be flawless is difficult, so that's why we're on, can't even count how many iterations of just like different parts of the robot or different modules that we've just changed up. This part is the 3rd version that holds in our weapon motor. We've been able to iterate down to be half the weight of what it used to be. We can really dial in and keep things as minimal as possible and keep it lightweight. We've used them for prototyping, tooling, and fixturing. Without having Markforged, we would have way too high of machining costs. There are these shapes that would take days to machine, but you're able to print in maybe a day. For this season, we printed over 100 different parts. The materials are right up our alley for high strength, high performance. We have both onyx as well as stainless steel printed parts. Once we have Valkyrie fully assembled, we're looking at 40 to 50 parts that will be used in battle. I think a lot of people just don't think that there are strong 3D printed materials, so being able to point out where a bunch of our stainless pieces took a beating and just survived was really a great way to send home the quality of what Markforged has. Having Markforged has really made it so we're not only saving a lot of money on producing these parts, but we're also saving a ton of time. The future of manufacturing looks fantastic. I think that this is going to change the way that things are made or engineered.